Hello, beautiful people. My name is Fina, aka Evidence of Good Living. Adanambara Adibo, Libayin Dalon. A woman caught his husband with another man on their matrimonial bed. So, after said and done, the man was begging, calling people, calling his friend. Everybody was asking for forgiveness. So, the woman truly decided to forgive the husband because of the kids, and she truly did. So after a year and 6 months, the man now caught the wife with his best friend. Now the woman is asking for forgiveness, asking truly for forgiveness. Now, you being the man, are you going to forgive your wife? What are you going to do? Are you going to truly forgive her? Because this is man's word, right? She forgave you and life goes on, and you decided not to cheat on her again. You know, it is more easy being the one asking for forgiveness than the person to forgive. So the ball is in your court now. What are you going to do? Think. Are you going to forgive your wife? Or are you going to do something else? Even if you forgive, are you going to truly forgive her? Tell me, what are you going to do? Because I know that men don't joke with their woman. Have a nice day. Bye.